turned into winter in a jiffy around here.
Big snowstorm yesterday, and so we are at Mt Baldy, and we're gonna hike the ski hut trail in the snow.
Yeah!
It's gonna be quite an adventure. We're not exactly sure what we're getting into, but
it's gonna be awesome. First snow of the season.
The drive up was chaos, but it was fun.
Let's do this.
Let's go. Okay, we have reached the turnoff to Ski Hut Trail. It's going to be steep, really slippery.
But probably safer than the Backbone Trail. So we're just nervous that Backbone might be too dicey with the snow today. So
yeah,
Ski Hut is the good option.
So here's the turnoff. And, yeah. Looks like we're in for some snowfall right now. It's just starting to come down. And it's just getting steep. Lots of powder. This is awesome. Well, we are hiking through a straight up blizzard.
Snowstorm for sure.
There is snow falling. We're going through snow. You can't really see more than about 20 or 30 feet, but it's really quite exciting. Makes it a little bit difficult to film.
It's so much harder to do everything right now. But we are soldiers. We're gonna keep going.
We're gonna keep going, and it's really quite fun.
Yeah, we're not giving up.
And hopefully we'll get some good pictures towards the top, maybe if the snowstorm lets up a little bit.
Yeah.
Winter Wonderland. This is so cool.
Well, we made it to the ski hut. We're currently sheltering under the world's smallest ledge. It is really coming down now.
It is a straight up blizzard.
This is crazy.
It's kind of awesome.
It's so fun, but we can't see anything. I mean, you can see in front of you, but we have zero views.
Yeah.
We'll see how the face of the mountain goes. We're just going to try to be safe, nothing crazy.
Yeah, the snow's getting pretty deep too, so we'll see how it goes.
We're going to keep on trekking on.
Keep on trucking, see if we can get to the top.
Well, that small victory lasted all of about 2 seconds. The trail is gone. There's us and a couple other hikers who are trying to find the route. We have zero idea how far we'll get, but we've all got our GPSs. We're gonna make an attempt. We'll see how it goes. So there is definitely zero route right now. Adam has gone up ahead. He is breaking the trail, doing an awesome job so far at route finding. We saw one sign, so we know that we're on the right track, but this is gonna be some crazy adventure. Wow.
Well, I am feeling super proud because we got all the way up to the notch so far.
Yeah.
In a major blizzard, we are the first ones up. This is a true adventure.
Adam is crushing it with the route finding.
Oh my
God. I don't know how he did that. There is snow just blazing into our eyes right now.
We are not on any trail. We're just following kind of where the trail might have been. But it's an absolute blizzard. Everything is snowed. There's no tracks. We're the first ones up the mountain. So it is a true adventure today.
I have no idea how far we're gonna make it.
We're going for the top if we can make it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is so kick-ass.
This is crazy.
What an adventure. Okay. Climbing in whiteout conditions. Well, we're still in the blizzard. Still breaking the trail on our way to the top.
But we are finding it.
We are finding the trail.
Yeah.
And we're not too far from the top now. I would say maybe what, 500 feet more, 1,000 feet more. So we're getting there. It's still a whiteout. We can barely see anything.
Yeah.
But it's really very exciting to break the trail up to the top.
Let's go.
Let's go. Still breaking new trail. Hopefully.
So traumatic. dramatic right now.
Elise is traumatized. Poor Elise is frozen.
I can't feel my fingers or my toes.
But it is really, really pretty up here. The sun's kind of starting to break through.
Yeah.
Weirdly, we're still in a blizzard,
I know.
but it's a blizzard that the sun is breaking through. Oh, we're getting close. Very close to the top. I can tell because the air is so thin. Almost there, boo-boo.
So close.
Find out wasteland. It's incredible. Oh my God. The sun's coming out. Woo! On top of Baldy. We made it. Oh,
Oh my God.
we made it.
We're at the summit.
We're at the summit. It's so windy
We're in a windstorm
and so
and a
cold.
snowstorm.
And we can barely use our hands.
I can barely breathe. That was so challenging.
Oh my God, we made it. It is crazy up here.
We probably look insane right
I'm
now.
sure we do. I put on my full headgear because my face is so frozen.
I can't feel any part of my body.
We got out of the wind. We're in a little wind shelter.
It is
I don't know.
freaking cold, you
It
guys.
is so windy. It's like 30, 40 mile an hour winds. Oh God.
Help us.
Oh.
Do this.
We gotta make it back down now.
I can't believe we're here.
I cannot believe it. Woo! The descent begins. We're descending rapidly. Elise is just hauling ass down the hill because she's worried about her feet being so cold, but I think that they'll be fine. Our body temperatures are still okay.
My sock is actually ice over.
He's worried about her icy sock. Oh, Elise is practically skiing down this bad boy.
Pretty fun, honestly. Oh my God. I'm just going for it. Ah! Ah! This wind is insane. Well, Adam may be dying of frostbite right now.
When you grip the poles, like up here, and you got all that wind chill, my fingers just got completely numb and I could no longer use them. And so now I'm warming them up, which is good, but the pain is extreme as I guess as the blood and the warmth goes back into them.
It's super painful.
It's super painful, but it's good because they're starting, I can feel them again, which is
That's good. I saved Adam with some of my hot hands. Elise for the win.
And with her awesome hair.
Yeah.
This is a preview of what Elise is going to look like in about 30 years.
I know. It's good because now Adam knows what's about to happen
And
in
she
30
looks
years.
cute with the gray hair, I think.
Are you accepting of it?
Yeah, I think you look adorable with
He's
the gray
gonna
hair.
stay with me.
Yeah.
Good news, guys. We can stay together now.
By the way, we are back at the saddle. So this is all trail that we broke, and so it's so fun going down knowing that we broke this trail.
Yeah.
We passed a bunch of people going up, all following our footsteps.
We made the trail for them.
Literally following in our footsteps.
You are welcome.
Anybody who does the trail this week, you're welcome.
Let's do this.
Let's go! Ski it, baby, ski it! Woo! Go, Elise! You're chugging.
I was chugging. We're almost to the bottom. Wow. Well, that was one super treacherous climb. I just have to say though, I'm super proud of us for just tackling Mt Baldy in these insane conditions. Ridiculous,
Yes.
but so fun, such an adventure. And I also have to say, I'm also incredibly proud of Adam. So,
Oh.
You guys kind of saw him breaking the trail, but I don't know if people understand how hard that is. People at the ski hut were all gonna turn around, and then they saw Adam breaking the trail. He was just leading a pack of like 12 of us all the way to the summit of Mount Baldy. It was just incredible, super amazing. I'm very proud that you're my man.
Oh, thanks, Phil. Well, it was really, really fun. I've never honestly had an opportunity to do that before, and it was pretty joyous.
So what went right, what went wrong?
Well, we're alive.
Yeah!
That went right. I mean, this was definitely a pretty dicey trail.
Yeah.
And I would not recommend it unless you're pretty experienced with outdoors stuff.
Seriously. Go with if you're gonna go in the snow, only go on a route you know. This was a really good reminder for us too, to not just go on new trails in a snowstorm.
Yeah, we were about at our limit with breaking the trail and getting all the way to the top. That was, it was really difficult. But we made it. Yeah! It was awesome.
Super good adventure.
I would say nothing went wrong except obviously the weather. I mean, we had to hike the whole thing in a blizzard, which is challenging. But
it's starting to come down.
It's coming down even harder now. But it made for an incredible adventure.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear how you guys like hiking Baldy in the snow.
We're gonna go get warm now.